America is changing fast. The old 9-to-5 grind is fading, and a new generation is rewriting the rules. Gen Z isn't just looking for a paycheck. They want purpose, freedom, and real money. Today, we're counting down the top 5 highest-paying jobs for Gen Z in America. Careers that offer not just income, but a future. Number 5, cybersecurity analyst. Every company has secrets, and every secret needs protection. Cybersecurity analysts are the digital bodyguards of the modern world. In America, they earn an average of $110,000 a year, and demand is exploding. No traditional degree required, just the right certifications and a sharp mind. Number 4, UX.UI designer. Every app you love, every website you can't stop using, a designer built that experience. UI designers in America earn between $95,000 and $130,000 annually. It's the perfect blend of creativity and technology. And for Gen Z who grew up designing their digital lives, this one feels natural. Number 3, data scientist. Data is the new oil. Companies are spending billions to understand it. Data scientists turn raw numbers into powerful decisions and get paid $125,000 a year on average in America. Learn Python, learn statistics, and you're already ahead of most people in the room. Number 2, software engineer remote work. 6-figure salaries, global opportunities. Software engineers are still the backbone of the tech world. Entry-level roles start at $90,000. Senior engineers cross $200,000. Gen Z grew up with code. Now it's time to get paid for it. Number 1, AI machine learning engineer. This is the job of the decade. AI engineers are building the future, from self-driving cars to the tools that run entire industries. Average salaries range from $150,000 to $300,000 in America. If Gen Z learns one skill that will matter for the next 20 years, it's this. These aren't just high-paying jobs. These are future-proof careers. Gen Z has the time, the tech instinct, and the hunger to win. The only question is, and which path will you choose? Start today, the future won't wait.